Well, welcome back to I'm Wandering Not Lost YouTube channel. It's time for one of our little campground ride-throughs. We're here at the Chicken Creek Outpost, Gold Camping Outpost, up on the hill there. There's a chicken. But, well, now, join me as I go through a ride through the park. Chicken Gold Camp RV Park. That's where we're spending the night tonight. Kind of beautiful setting here. We do have an old dredge. They give tours twice a day at the Pedro dredge. But it's a Chicken Creek Outpost, Chicken Gold Camping Outpost. Of course, there's the check-in right there at the outpost. They have gold panning. I think it's $10 for 2 hours. 20 amp electric service. I'm not sure if they've got more than that up here, but I know the lower end, they got 20 amp service down there. Yeah, it looks like it's probably all they got up here is 20 amps. Looks like everybody's running dog bones. They may have 30 amp up here. No, it's 20 amp. Looks like they might have some cabins here for rent. There's a fantasy caravan tour group in here tonight. They had a dinner over here in the shelter earlier today. They have dry camping as well as electric. Potable water is available. Fairly nice staff here. They when I unloaded the dredge, unloaded the Jeep out of the trailer, the lady came up and come running down there in a four-wheeler. Oh no, you got to pay extra if you got the Jeep. We only allow two vehicles or two things at a campsite. So I had to pay an extra $5 just because I unloaded the Jeep. So they considered the trailer and the RV my two items for my campsite. I also was in the process of unhooking the trailer and was going to park the trailer beside the RV, one of these campsites down here, and they also said, oh, you can't do that. So I had to, plus I had to pay for the Jeep. So I said, well, I'll pay, just tell them if I gotta move, I gotta move. I said, just tell me what I need to do, and I'll do it. So I did have to move from one site to another, but I was able to stay hooked up, which was a good thing. And looks like they've got tents and cabins back in here. But it is a nice clean campground. And large open spaces. Several gold miners around. But yeah. Chicken camp. An outpost. Chicken gold camp and outpost. Not a bad place. Come on by and check them out. They got a pretty extensive gift shop. Remember, make memories. Don't leave footprints behind. And we'll see you on down the road.